To access the 3D module and perform multiplanar reconstruction on the series of images in the active panel, click the Multiplanar Reconstruction button on the toolbar or press the configured key binding, which is set to the spacebar by default. A progress bar will indicate the reconstruction's progress. Once completed, the viewport will be divided into 3 panels, each showing one of the primary anatomical planes for the reconstructed series. The coronal plane is displayed in the first panel, marked with a magenta square in the upper right corner. The sagittal plane is in the second panel, marked with a cyan square, and the axial plane is in the third panel, marked with a yellow square. To change the anatomical plane displayed in a panel, right-click the image to open the context menu and select either the coronal view, sagittal view, or axial view option. Alternatively, press the configured key binding, which is set to the C, S, and A key by default. To maximize a panel, double-click on the image within it. Double-click again to restore the panel to its original size. Basic operations, such as window leveling, zooming, panning, and scrolling, can be performed as usual by selecting the appropriate tool from the toolbar and moving the mouse over a panel while holding down the left mouse button. Window level adjustments will be synchronized across all panels. Thumbnails from the preview bar can be dragged and dropped into the viewport using the left mouse button to reconstruct a different series of images. Click the Multiplanar Reconstruction button again to close the Multiplanar Reconstruction and exit the 3D module.